Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used the 2022 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 Life that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the deep black pearl paintwork, housing a 1 litre TSI engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. Packed with top features including your auto LED headlights, stylish 15-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot does offer plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers the comfort all round, with your fitted ISOFIX points for when installing those car seats and access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have access to your multifunctional leather steering wheel and central touch display screen for endless navigation and entertainment, and of course you do have your full cloth trim once again, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel and options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data and the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control. Moving across, you do have your app connect to stay connected on the go and various radio stations, ideal on those longer trips. Of course, you do have your on-screen and vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside the activation of your front and rear parking sensors when you are manoeuvring the vehicle, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. This is followed just below by your main climate controls, various power outlets, and for added convenience, your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.